வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ. ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் கிளாஸ் 9 ஜியோகிராஃபி யூனிட் 2 லித்தோஸ்பியர் 2 எக்ஸோஜெனெட்டிக் ப்ராசஸஸ் லெசன் book exercise question and answer and higher order thinking questions. First Roman letter, choose the best answer. First one, that is integration or decomposition of rocks is generally called as option A weathering, option B erosion, option C transportation, option D deposition. Here the correct answer is option A weathering. Second one, the process of the leveling up of land by means of natural agents. Option A aggradation, option B degradation, option C gradation, option D none. Here the correct answer is option C gradation. Third one, dash is seen in the lower course of the river. Option A rapids, option B alluvial fan, option C delta, option D gorges. Here the correct answer is option C delta. Fourth one, karst topography is formed due to the action of option A glacier, option B wind, option C sea waves, option D groundwater. Here the correct answer is option D groundwater. Fifth one, which one of the following is not a depositional feature of a glacier? Option A cirque, option B moraines, option C drumlines, option D eskers. Here the correct answer is option A cirque. Sixth one, deposits of fine silt blown by wind is called as option A loess, option B barchans, option C hamada, option D ripples. Here the correct answer is option A loess. Seventh one, stacks are formed by dash. Option A wave erosion, option B river erosion, option C glacial erosion, option D wind deposition. Here the correct answer is option A wave erosion. Eighth one, dash erosion is responsible for the formation of cirque. Option A wind, option B glacial, option C river, option D underground water. Here the correct answer is option B glacial. Second Roman letter, match the following. First one, distributaries, lower course of river. Second one, mushroomed rock, aeolian process. Number 3, eskers, glacial action. Number 4, stalactites, karst topography. Number 5, cliff, action of sea wave. Third Roman letter, consider the given statements and choose the right option given below. 1. Statement 1, I-shaped valley is an erosional feature of the river. Statement 2, U-shaped valley is an erosional feature of the glacier. Statement 3, V-shaped valley is an erosional feature of the glacier. Option A, 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Option B, 1 and 2 are correct. Option C, 1 and 3 are correct. Option D, only 3 is correct. So here the correct answer is statement 2, that is U-shaped valley is an erosional feature of the glacier is correct. Other two statements are wrong. Second one, statement 1, running water is an important agent of gradation. Statement 2, the work of the river depends on the slope of land on which it flows. Option A, statement 1 is false and 2 is true. Option B, statement 1 and 2 are false. Option C, statement 1 is true and 2 is false. Option D, statement 1 and 2 are true. So here the correct answer is option D, statement 1 and 2 are true. Third one, statement, limestone regions have less underground water. Reason, water does not percolate through limestone. Option A, the statement is right, reason is wrong. Option B, the statement is wrong, reason is right. Option C, the statement and reason are wrong. Option D, the statement and reason are right. So here the correct answer is option C, The statement and reason are wrong. Fourth Roman letter, answer in brief. Question number 1. Define weathering. Question number 2. What do you mean by biological weathering? Question number 3. Mention the 3 courses of a river with any 2 landforms associated to each course. Question number 4. What are oxbow lakes? Question number 5. How does a sea cave differ from a sea arc? Question number 6. List out any forecast topographical areas found in India. Question number 7. What do you mean by a hanging valley? Question number 8. Define moraine, dumpling, esker. Question number 9. Mention the various features formed by wind erosion. Question number 10. What is wave cut platform? Fifth Roman letter, give reasons. Question number 1. Chemical weathering is predominant in hot and humid zones. Question number 2. Silt deposits are less at estuaries than deltas. Question number 3. Wind can possibly erode the rocks from all sides. Sixth Roman letter, distinguish between question number 1. Differentiate physical weathering and chemical weathering. Second one, differentiate delta and estuary. Question number 3. Differentiate stalactite and stalagmite. Question number 4. Differentiate longitudinal and transverse sand dunes. Question number 5. Differentiate Inselbergs and Yardungs. Question number 6. Differentiate spit and bar. Seventh Roman letter, answer in paragraph. Question number 1. Write a note on weathering, classify and explain. Question number 2. Explain the erosional landforms formed by underground water. Question number 3. What is a glacier? Explain its types. Question number 4. Describe the depositional work of winds. Roman letter 8. Map skill. On the given outline map of the world, mark the following. Number 1. Any 2 deltas. Number 2. A karst region. Number 3. Any 2 hot and cold deserts. Roman letter 9. Higher order thinking question. Question number 1. Is wind the only gradational agent in the desert? Question number 2. Underground water is more common in limestone areas than surface runoff. Why? Question number 3. The river channels in the lower course are wider than the upper course. 10th Roman letter, give geographical terms for the following. Now let us see some in-text question. Question number 1. Is weathering a prerequisite in the formation of soil? Question number 2. Snow line of Alps is 2700 meter, whereas the snow line of Greenland is just 600 meter. Find out the reason. Now let us see some additional questions for TNPSC. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.